Hello friends, Shushmita here and you are watching my study hack 51. So we are on Python if-else statement. Now today we are going to learn elif. What is elif? Elif means else if. The if-elif keywords is Python's way to saying if the previous condition were not true, then try this condition. You can have as many elif statement in your code as you want. Syntax: if condition 1 statement 1, elif condition 2 statement 2, else statement 3. Here we have nested if else and elif both. So hope you understand the code. Let's try it in Python. Save the command and run the module. Letter is A. Letter is B. And letter is C. So that's it for today. Hope you understand the code. If you have any question or query, please write in comment box and see you in next video.